Balita ko naghanap ka ng tablet that can perform like a PC. Pues itong bagong tablet na papakita ko sa'yo can perform like you want it to be. Here is the all-new Huawei Matepad 11 2023. Kaya na ito maging PC just the way you like it. Tara, pag-usapan natin. So hi guys, ako pa si Rich from the Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. Itong bagong Matepad 11 2023 would come in a very solid bundle package. For 24,999, this is the package that you'll be getting. The Huawei Matepad 11 2023 itself. Itong mga sasabihin ko sa inyo is included in the bundle. This is the Huawei M Pencil, the second generation, which is worth 5,999. Itong detachable keyboard na may flip cover would also come. Itong WPS na PC edition would also come together in this bundle. This is worth 4,999. And a 3 months worth of premium subscription dito sa View, which is worth 349 pesos. And this one is sold separately. Ito Huawei Bluetooth mouse, which is very helpful pagdating sa WPS na PC edition, which is worth 1,499. Pwede mo siya mabili sold separately. Itong tablet na to would come running in Harmony OS 3.1.0 and this one is being powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 with a 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. Browsing on this tablet is definitely smooth dahil sa kanyang 120Hz of screen refresh rate. So sa kanyang configuration, you can choose between dynamic, high, or standard. Pwede ka pumili between 60 or 120 Hz or pwede mo siya automate ng sarili siya na bahala. So what's nice dito sa device na ito, it can support all of your Huawei devices here at home. Be it laptop, smartphone, and pati mga buds. Pwede mo siya connect into the super device. By the way guys, lahat ng apps ko nakuha ko dito sa Huawei App Gallery. It's very easy to use. All you need to do is just hit the Huawei App Gallery na app. Then just check yung top apps na dito. Lahat ng mga sikat na apps nandito siya. Lahat ng mga sikat na apps, madadownload mo siya dito. It's very easy to use. All you need to do is just simply install it. And kung nagtanong siya kung pwede na install itong Gbox, just allow it para magamit mo ang yung mga Google-related apps. So after installing the Gbox, yan, nagagamit ko ng aking Google Drive. Google Maps is also working fine. And also YouTube is also working fine. So right now guys, turuin ko sa inyo kung paano nyo madadownload ang WPS na PC edition dito sa tablet na ito. Punta lang kayo sa settings, punta kayo sa system and updates, check nyo ang software and update. Kailangan nyo ma-install ang latest update which is 3.1.0.156 as of press time. So kung nag-install siya na bagong update, mag-reboot siya. After that, makikita mo na itong WPS Office. Click nyo lang. After mo maklik yung icon, mag-redirect siya diretso sa Huawei App Gallery. Ito makita mo, WPS Office PC Software Engine. Install mo lang. And after that, you have a fully licensed na WPS Office na PC Edition ready for you to use. So after mo ma-install ang WPS Office sa PC Edition, right now you can use this almost the same like how you do it sa PC. So for maximum experience, I would suggest na gamitin itong keyboard na ito. So it would look something like this. Parang PC lang. And best of all, meron siyang M Pencil na magagamit mo siya to annotate and take some notes. Very easy to use. And of course, itong mouse ito would come in handy lalo sa mga spreadsheets. Para turuan ko kayo kung paano gamitin to. So guys, since itong WPS na PC edition is a subscription base and it comes together with si Huawei Matepad 11 2023 for free. Actually, it's worth around mga 4,999 but this one, it comes together with this bundle for free. So syempre gusto natin i-maximize itong WPS Office. So let's just take a quick tour kung anong makikita natin. No? So opening this one, you can do your documents, your spreadsheets dito, just like what you're doing sa Office. So opening a new tab, so pwede kang mamili dito. No? So either go for, you open a document, Excel, or presentation. So sa Microsoft, it's a Word, a Excel, and a PowerPoint. So buksan na tayo ng empty na document. So one of the things na gusto ko sa kanya is pwede mo gamitin ang mouse and keyboard all at the same time dito sa WPS Office na PC edition. And what's nice dito sa kanyang toolbar, kita mo lahat andito kompleto. Unlike sa mga Microsoft Word, medyo mas bitin pa siya, no? But this one parang mas kompleto siya in terms of everything nandyan, nakalatag na siya. It's just like you're using on a PC. So, tinry ko naman buksan dito sa Office since hindi ako naka-subscription based dito. So, when I'm opening a document, wala akong makikita kasi read-only lang siya. But if you check the other one, dito sa Docs, ganito itsura niya. When you open a untitled document, kita mo ang kanyang toolbar dito sa ibabaw, very limited lang kanyang mga shortcut keys dito. So, that's a very visible, biggest advantage yung makikita ko sa WPS na PC Edition. And another thing na nakita ko dito sa kanya is kompleto rin siya, pati mga taskbar na dito sa ilalim is kompleto, just like the one na ginagamit natin on a normal PC. So another thing na gusto ko pakita sa inyo is that pwede ka mag-multi-tab dito, na which hindi mo rin makita sa iba. So let's say, open ako na isang Excel. Okay, so empty, another one. So then magbubukas ulit ako na isa pang multi-tab ulit. So let's say PowerPoint. So pwede natin buksan siya all at the same time dito sa WPS na PC Edition, which andito, very useful. Nandito siya. Kung gusto ko lumipat sa Word, nandito ako. Kung gusto ko lumipat sa Excel, nandito ako. Kung gusto ko lumipat sa PowerPoint, well, nandito rin ako. So ang typing experience dito sa keyboard niya is smooth. Type lang tayo the quick brown fox. Okay, ulitin natin. Brown fox went up the hill. Okay, so normally sa ibang app, you cannot use yung keyboard and mouse function together. So, pero pagdating naman dito, I'll try to hold shift, no? Then, hawakan ko rin ng mouse. Yeah, kita natin, kaya niya mag-highlight. So, pwede rin natin hawakan control. Yan, di ba? Pwede mong gamitin all at the same time. So, yun ang advantage nitong kaya mong gamitin ang keyboard and mouse combo. Now, another thing is dito, makita mo yung cursor niya nagiging arrow. That's another one na gusto ko dito sa kanya. Nagiging arrow siya. Unlike sa iba, let's see yung docs kanina. Okay? Makita mo isang bilog lang siya, which hindi mo alam kung paano ka So, mag-type ka dito. So, kung gusto mo i-select, wala. Wala ka masi-select. Pinipindot ko na yung left mouse click ko, wala. Hindi mo siya magagalaw. Hindi ka makapag-highlight. So trying shift paatras, okay, kaya. Pero pag mouse combo, wala ka maha-highlight. Which is quite a hassle kung gumagamit ka ng ibang app na pambukas ng document or pang-edit ng documents. Kung isa ka rin suki ng spreadsheet like I do, so one of the important one is you have your formulas rito ready. So, nakikita natin sa mga basic na app na can handle spreadsheet, hindi mo makita mga powerful functions like this one. So, this one's just meron lang dito sa WPS na pang PC edition, which is very handy. Hindi mo na kailangan dala basically na laptop. All you need is ito. You can do your spreadsheet here and kompleto lahat ng formula. You can also do it here. So, another advantage na meron din sa WPS Office sa PC edition is yung PowerPoint mo, yung presentation mo, you can put some grid lines para mabilis mo drag and drop, mag-snap yung mga pictures mo into yung proper place na gusto nyo. Kasi meron din siyang, pwede mo rin siyang ilagay na snap-on para mas mabilis siyang magsakto doon sa gusto mong location. So, kailangan laruin lang dito mga settings na ito just to be able to, go through it. Like ito, snap objects to grid, which is, for me, one of the more important function na pwede mo siya magamit dito sa PowerPoint. And there's a lot of animation na pwede na mapili dito. All you need to do is just go to the animation tab and click custom animation. Makita nyo, no? There's a lot of option na pwede nang galawin dito. Well, I won't really go through much dun sa detail on how to use that. Probably, I have time. I'll try to make another tutorial for that one. So, chinek natin ang Antutu benchmark ito tablet na ito. Was able to get a 575,000 points, which is not bad. Quite impressive for a tablet. And pag binigna mo, ito ang mga score na nakuha niya. And nakakuha siya ng quite impressive na score dito sa wildlife at 3,800 points. So one of the best things dito sa tablet na ito, dahil malaki ang kanyang screen, 11-incher, so browsing on social media like TikTok, sobrang smooth. Dahil meron siyang 120 Hz of screen refresh rate. So swiping is very enjoyable dahil parang very, very smooth siya. And like they say, it's smooth like butter. So whether you're enjoying on TikTok, on Facebook, or Instagram, or on Twitter, lahat yan very smooth, as expected. So itong tablet na to is not just made for work, it's also made for entertainment. So this one has 4 na loudspeaker, dalawa sa ibabaw and dalawa sa ilalim. So this one, when you're listening to Spotify or other music, sobrang enjoyable siya dahil malakas ang kanyang sound. And pag sinagad mo ka ng volume to 100%, okay pa rin siya, hindi siya tunog lata. So another good thing dito sa kanya when you're using for video conferencing, talking to other people on Zoom, on Google Meet, meron siyang AI na noise cancelling dito. So meaning, kaya na i-cancel out mga ingay on the background. It gives you the better, smoother user experience when you're talking in front of a video conferencing. Now, watching all of my favorite videos dito, it's enjoyable. Be it watching anime, mga Korean novela, or just watching a simple basketball game dahil NBA playoffs nga pala ngayon. It's enjoyable dahil ang laki ng kanyang screen and it can display up to 2.5K. And by the way guys, itong tablet ito is being certified by TUV Rainland. So this one has a certification for low blue light and flicker-free experience. Itong tablet nito has 7,250 mAh of battery. It's quite massive. And what's nice dito is hindi siya ganun kabigatan. This one is weighing at around mga 480 grams. So, well, for me, it's quite good. And itong tablet na ito can charge as fast as 22.5 watts na Huawei Supercharge. So, charging from 10 to 100 takes roughly mga 2.5 hours to complete the full charging cycle. So, nirate natin ang battery nito using si PC Mark na battery stress test na app. So, it was able to give me a 13 hour and 17 minutes na screen on time, which is quite impressive. This one is being rated under 50% na brightness and 60 Hz screen refresh rate. So, the next thing na siguro itatanong sa akin kung this tablet can last me for a whole day. And I can tell you na kayang-kaya naman na mag-last ng full day. As long as wala naman siyang heavy gaming, kaya naman na magtagal ng one whole day. For me, ginagamit ko siya on a day-to-day basis, like social media, taking some video call, and taking some photos, and well, just playing some light games. Kaya-kaya naman niya, one whole day, no problem. Now, taking some photos dito sa tablet na ito, it's just okay. Don't expect too much from its camera dahil this one is only a 13MP na rear camera sensor and a 8MP na front-facing camera. And for me, ang medyo impressive dito sa kanyang rear camera is that it can shoot up to 4K and 30 FPS. But for me, on a personal level, mostly ginagamit kong camera ng mga tablet is just to take some documents, some important things na biglaan, kailangan mo mag-send ng photo, pwede dito sa tablet na ito. But if you're looking for a really great na camera experience, do check out the Huawei P60 Pro. Andito ang link ng aking full review ng P60 Pro. Now guys, ano masasabi ko dito sa Huawei Matepad 11 2023? For me, this is a very nice na tablet that you can bring anywhere, any day. Okay siyang bitbitin dahil quite light naman siya and fully packed ang kanyang accessories. Meron siyang keyboard, meron siyang pencil, at meron pa siyang mouse na pwede mong isama dito for a full PC-like experience. For people who does a lot of stuff sa documents and sa spreadsheet, this one is simply just perfect for you. And if you love entertainment, this one is also really good for entertainment purpose. So, itong tablet na ito is being priced at 24,999 and you get those freebie packages sinabi ko sa inyo which is worth 18,346 a while ago. Sobra siyang sulit, off the chart. So kung interested kayo malaman kung saan nyo pwede mabili ito, I'll be posting everything on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit that bell icon para hindi nyo ma-miss mga future uploads here from my channel. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.